Hey, John Wells again here from Tom and Jerry's Boat Center. Coming to you today to show you the newest 270 PE on the yard, just arrived last week. It's beautiful Hewescraft red. Let's take a look at some of the features of this boat. Outstanding offshore adventure. Go where you want to go, spend as many nights as you want to spend. Starts out with this extruded reverse chine, dual rub rails. Of course, it's going to come on an easy loader trailer, triple hydraulic with electric brakes. Look at the weld quality here. All Hewescrafts are handmade in Colville, Washington by the Hewescraft family of boats. This one's going to be powered with twin 200 Yamahas. We like this motor. Durability, longevity, lots of hours available to you to be on the water. It's going to be paired up with a little kicker for that salmon fishing guy that needs to have a little trolling motor. We put Yamaha 25s or 99s, your choice on that boat. Let's go ahead and step to the back and take a look at some of the features down here. You can see that the hull is one solid sheet of aluminum from the front of the bow all the way to the rear transom. Every Hewescraft is made with a single sheet of aluminum for its hull, from the 16 Sportsman all the way up to the 27 PE. It's going to have trim tabs, sonar, anodes, all the things you're going to need on your boat are going to come with this boat first day out the door. Let's go ahead and climb up in the boat now and take a look at what really matters. Okay, so if you like to fish, like me, this is where the work gets done. We've got a great back deck for fishing for halibut, salmon, offshore, whatever you decide you're going to go do. Welded in aluminum downrigger brackets and rails. This is for your safety. Get your downriggers up off the decking. Easier to work with and gives you a place to hang on to. The fish box in the back, you can throw away that old igloo cooler that you have in the back of the garage that's only for salmon or for fish, and use this great box right here. This is going to drain directly overboard, so none of the fish product's going to get in your boat. We can convert this to a live well if you're a live bait fisherman. We just have to put in a reverse pump. Talk to your sales rep about upgrading that. Over here we're going to have our main controls. You'll be able to steer your mains and control them with the twin DEC controls from Yamaha right here on the back side. Single control for your kicker. You want to go slow, you want to fish for salmon, you can run this boat on your kicker, fish right back here with your buddies. Let's step on inside and take a look at some of the features inside. Your significant other, I know mine does, likes to be warm. This is a great place for her to spend part of the day, staying warm, making some sandwiches. We got a nice stove here, small refrigerator. This is a diesel stove, burns a nice cool temp, won't burn. Little sink, 110 on the water, 110, excuse me, that 110 is going to be 110 only on your shore power. Over here we got lots of room. Big table for you to sit down, play cards, cribbage, eat your lunch, have some cocktails. Dual suspension seats for you and your co-pilot so that you're comfortable and they are. They don't want you not bumping up and down where they are. On the main controls at the helm, we've got a 12-inch Garmin screen, space for other add-ons. Talk to your sales rep about what you may need to help you have a better time on the water. Twin controls at the main helm as well. The boat, of course, has a diesel hydronic heater. Very nice. Will keep you warm. Stepping finally down into the V-berth. The V-berth in the 27 PE has a nice head space. You don't have to crawl down in here. You can step down in here. You turn this into a nice big bed by putting all the benches in, and you've got lots of room to lay down. But during the day, we pull these off here, and you've got a nice place for your grandkids or for somebody to take a little time out. One last thing I'd love to show you about this boat. It's a very important add-on. Let me slide by my guy here. Bathrooms. Bathrooms are important. I can't tell you how many boats I've closed because of this product right here. a stand-up head. Here we go. Got a nice little stand-up head, place to dry that wet rain gear, place to go potty, and just a general place to get away from it all. So come on down to Tom and Jerry's Boat Center, give me a call, ask for John, one of the other sales guys. We're here to help you get out on the water.